An old Chinese proverb says, "When the bird sings, do not rush to ask why. Just listen and you will understand the joy of being alive." This smart bird feeder does exactly that. It helps you pause, observe, and connect. With an ultra-wide 120 camera and 2K resolution, it captures each feather, each flutter, with incredible detail. The built-in AI can identify over 10,000 birds. You'll receive instant alerts when the birds arrive. No binoculars, just a quiet moment with nature. From your phone. The motion-activated camera not only records clips, but lets you zoom in, capturing those breathtaking close-ups you miss with the naked eye. Powered by sun, with dual 3-watt panels and long-range Wi-Fi. It works rain or shine. No worries, no wires, no missed moments. Whether you're sharing moments with your parents or teaching your kids about nature, this feeder isn't just tech, it's tranquility. Like the proverb says, sometimes the smallest song birds the greatest peace.